Hi guys, today's question is, do you prefer to stay at a hotel or Airbnb when you travel? Share your answers below. With the emergence of sites like Airbnb and Couchsurfing.com that provide alternative accommodation options, travelers have more choice than ever before. However, when it comes to booking a place to stay for your next trip, which is the better choice, a hotel or Airbnb? Let's start with hotels. Luxurious convenience. Whether you're staying for luxury or convenience, there's a lot to appreciate from a stay at a hotel, particularly one with a 5-star rating. You can easily choose the type of room you want, if it should come with breakfast, along with all the amenities you'd normally expect. You can easily find reviews on TripAdvisor.com, then compare room rates on sites like Booking.com or Agoda.com to ensure you get the best bang for your buck. Hotels are also easier to find with their giant signs, and if you have Google Maps, getting there by train or taxi will be a breeze. Free airport transfers. If your hotel is near the airport, why not check if they provide free airport transfers? I mean, nothing beats the feeling you get knowing there's a bus or van waiting to take you to the hotel after a long flight, where a hot shower and a good night's rest await you. If you have an early flight out of Japan, the free airport transfers will get you to the airport nice and early so you don't miss your flight, unless you overslept, of course. Expensive and small rooms. On the other hand, hotels are expensive, especially in Tokyo. The rooms are also much smaller than a typical hotel room compared to other countries. Here's a table I threw together. Sure, the cost of living in New York and Tokyo are much higher than Kuala Lumpur, but even then, it costs an extra $135 for a night in Tokyo than in New York with less floor space. I think you'll definitely want to opt for more affordable Japanese hotels, but you'll also be sacrificing valuable floor space at the same time. A typical Japanese hotel room is comfortable, but boy are they cramped. Don't be surprised if you barely have room to walk around in after rolling in 2 luggage bags. Now let's look over the fence and see if it's greener on the other side with Airbnb rentals. Cheaper and so much space. It's amazing how much cheaper it is to rent rooms or entire houses to yourself on Airbnb for a fraction of what it would cost to stay a night at a hotel in Japan. Plus, you get so much more room to stretch in. It's also easy to find accommodations that are situated close to train stations, which makes traveling around very easy. Some of the most popular places to stay in Tokyo are Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, and Asakusa. Free pocket Wi-Fi. Almost all Airbnbs have free Wi-Fi, but in some rare cases, the host will provide a free pocket Wi-Fi device which allows up to 10 devices to serve at the same time. What's even better is that you can take the device out with you while exploring Japan and still be connected to the internet. In my previous video, I shared a great tip on how to find these Airbnbs that provide the device for free. I promise you won't want to miss out. You're at your own service. Airbnbs require you to be a bit more independent and have a more roll-up-your-sleeves attitude. You'll need to wash your own clothes, take out the trash, and buy your own food. But since you're staying at a residential area, you'll get a rare chance to see how the locals live their everyday lives, and maybe even get to mingle with them. You'll quickly learn though that convenience stores are a huge part of everyone living in Japan, because it's where you can get almost everything from. They carry meals, snacks, water, alcohol, umbrellas, socks, and so much more. When to stay in a hotel or Airbnb? Alright, so my advice when choosing to stay at a hotel or an Airbnb is to check the duration of your stay in the same area. For example, if you're staying in Tokyo for 5 days, it's more economical to stay at an Airbnb. But say if you're visiting the Mount Fuji area for a day or two, you can stick to hotels, simply because you're on a short trip, you want to maximize your time exploring and enjoying yourself. Hotels are usually located next to tourist attractions or city centers, so it's perfect for short-term stays. Which option makes more sense to you? The convenience of a hotel or the freedom of an Airbnb? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time.